Okay, what were you saying now? You're cleaning these cabinet doors because they were sticky and grimy.
That's correct. Look at how beautiful they came out.
That looks way better.
Yeah. It's called a touch of orange.
Touch of orange. Now this says touch of beeswax. So what's the deal here?
Well, the deal is that you use the cleaner first.
Use this cleaner.
We use this cleaner first, and I lost the thing off.
Okay, but it's called a touch of orange.
And this is the cleaner.
Okay.
And then this is the preserve to preserve the wood.
Okay, so you put that on last.
And you let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, and then you wipe it off.
Oh, 30 to 60 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then you wipe it off.
Okay.
And then it's just beautiful.
That helps restore things.
It restores it, and it cleans it. It cleaned off all the fingerprints.
Very nice.
The dirty marks. Yeah.
That would be a good thing. Beeswax, touch of beeswax with orange oil wood preserver.
And you can get it online.
Just go to online and put in touch
of orange.
Touch of orange, and that'll come in as like a 2-pack, or maybe is this concentrated and then you fill it up with water, or you just
you can buy it. You can buy it in a 2-quart or a quart. You can buy it in a gallon.
Oh, okay.
Depends on how much you use it.
Okay.
And it's made right here in California by Auburn and Cottonwood.
Nice.
So I've used it for years.
All right. Well, thanks for that tip, Auntie
You're
Bonnie.
very welcome.
Yes, nice and strong. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.